And now we would like to invite Dr. Hasan Kadhem to give his talk titled Automated Mobile-Based Microlearning to Enhance Students' Retention of Concepts and Skills. Dr. Hasan, please take the floor.
Assalamu alaikum. So, today my presentation about automated mobile-based microlearning to enhance student retention of concept and skills. And this is the outline. First, we'll see introduction about the use of mobile. Then, what is the problem we address here in this research? We'll have an overview of our solution, proposed solutions, some related works related to enhance retention of student retention. And then we'll see the methodology steps that we followed to for our case study to measure the enhancement of student retention based on mobile-based microlearning. Then we'll see some result challenges, and we'll finalize with summary. So we clearly see that mobile are used in our daily life. I mean, students and other people, they use mobile in sport while they're making sport, they are going to gym, or in daily routine. So researchers, teachers, instructors, they try to find a way to use mobile to enhance learning and teaching. And the problem we address here in this research, we call it student retention or short retention. Maybe you noticed that in IT, for example, in math, statistics, and other courses, we teach lecture that consists of different knowledge, different concepts, different theories, such as CPU scheduling policies, and so on. And then in the next lecture, students forget some basic or important theories and concepts that we should build on these theories. We call this problem short retention. So the solution overview, after teaching the lecture, we will support the teaching or learning in classroom by sending short messages to all students from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And these messages, it's either 140 character, just 140 character, or video, short video, or even some images. So related work, there are many related work to enhance student retention for many different subjects, such as math, statistics, and IT. They use different techniques, such as assessment technique, 1-minute paper, web-based micro-questions, and group discussions. On the other hand, we have also some research about using mobile to support IT learning, but it's mainly used to support programming courses and to see the effect of using mobile-based assessment and evaluation. And some researchers use a game to support learning and teaching. So in this research, we've selecting participants first. We select the participants course and section. And since I used to teach course operating system for online at Ahliauniversitybh, so I've chosen operating system, which there are 22 students. Then we've select topics and ILOs. So in order to select topics, I need to be sure that the topics selected as usually students get approximately same achievement in both topics, because I need to measure these ILOs. We'll see the ILOs. So we've selected 2 ILOs, A1 and B1, which is concept and theories and problem solving. And we've selected 2 topics that, based on ILO's evaluation, most student usually achieve approximately same achievement in both topics. Then we prepare a set of e-test and model that consist of 6 questions, 4 multiple choice to measure A1, and 2 fill-in-the-blank question to evaluate B1. Then I've converted the lecture, the CBU scheduling lecture, into 24 messages that consist of just 140 character and short videos and short images, and send this schedule or these messages from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So the first cycle will be lecture followed by micro content message, then e-test, then we'll analyze the result. While the second cycle will be just lecture, e-test, without micro-learning, and then we'll check the ILOs again using model-based test. So this is the result. So for the first cycle, we can see that the result for A1, it's 150%, which means that student not only retain the information or the knowledge, but they retain more. I mean, they get, even students who were absent, they managed to solve some questions. This is for A1, while for B1, the retention was just 62%. On the other hand, we'll have the second cycle without micro-learning. We'll see that A1, the retention rate is 72%, and in B1, it's just 45%. And we'll see that using micro-learning, we enhance the retention by 35% approximately. This is the message read rate. We notice that the message read rate is decreased during night because students, they have different schedule and different activities. So what are the challenges for this research? Actually, it takes time because summarize and chunking lecture notes, it takes time because it happens manually, and students have different schedule, different timetable. So it is not effective to send messages to all students at the same time. So the requirements for an automated solution, automated mobile-based solution, is to have ability to summarize and chunk lecture automatically that contains text, images, and videos, and ability to learn from student read history record to schedule future messages. So this is the automated solution for mobile-based micro-learning. So we'll take the lecture note, consists of text, images, videos. We'll use some text summarization or text mining algorithms to have a summary and related multimedia. Then we will use some other algorithms to partition these summaries to small messages, and then automatically schedule these messages to be sent directly to students, but not at the same time. So if first student, for example, has empty schedule, for example, from 8 to 9, it will send, the system will send maybe 3, 4, 5 messages at this time. So this solution, this automated solution, includes many different challenges related to IT. The first challenge is algorithm to summarize and partition lecture notes. The second one, use big data algorithm to say about appropriate media related to the lecture. Then the third algorithm is machine learning to automatically schedule different messages for different students based on read history. So we've seen the short retention problem, and we've seen the new approach for mobile-based micro-learning. The results show improvement on student retention using mobile microlearning, approximately 35%. And we've proposed important IT challenges to develop automated solution for mobile-based microlearning. Thank you.